Hello viewers and welcome to another episode of Excel Learning. In today's episode, I'm going to talk about a unique formula or a unique way to calculate all the non-duplicate items, or so as to say the unique items in a list or a column. And we are going to use an innovative approach for it, and the formula is pretty simple. Without any ado, let's jump to the data and see how to accomplish the result. So here we have the data wherein we have the names of sales representatives which are appearing as repetitions. So for example, Jones is appearing here as well as Jones is appearing here as well. So that kind of repeats the data. Similarly, you have other names also which are getting repeated. So for example, Jones is appearing here as well, so on and so forth. Now our objective is to find the count of unique names in the list. Now two ways to do it. One way is, of course, you can simply select the list and you can paste it somewhere else. You can go to the data tab. Inside the data tab, you can then click on the remove duplicates function and it removes the duplicates, and you know that there are 11 non-duplicate values. However, the problem with this is you have to do it every time our data changes, which we do not want. So we are going to use a smarter approach. In terms of the smarter approach, what we are going to do is we are going to use a formula. First, we are going to say count if s. Inside count if s, we are going to give the criteria range, comma. Again, we are going to give the same criteria range, bracket close. Now, let's observe what happens here. You see, it's a spill function because I typed the formula only in the first cell. However, the data got splitted and spilled over rather, and it got pasted or rather replicated in other cells as well, and the cell references were unique. So for example, what does this 8 mean? This 8 means that Jones name has appeared 8 times. Similarly, Kivil, this means that Kivil name has appeared 4 times. Similarly, Sorvino, it has appeared 4 times, so on and so forth. So this doesn't give us what we wanted, but it starts the process by giving first how many times the value has been repeated. Now it's a logical calculation that we are going to see. Now the second piece that we are going to do is, now we are going to divide it by 1. Now the moment I divide it by 1, there is something that changes. Now what happens here? It basically gives the count of Jones in row number 3. So for example, there were 8 times that Jones has appeared overall, which means in one cell it has appeared how many times? It has appeared 0.12 times, because if I multiply 0.125 into 8, it will give me 1, and hence this division by 1 gives me the value in the respective cell. Similarly for Kivel, remember it had appeared for 4 times, which means in each cell it has appeared for 0.25 times, which is 1 divided by 4. So far so good. Now here comes the magic step. We are just going to apply sum on this and we are going to close the bracket, and here you go. We have the value of 11, which was also achieved initially when we applied the remove duplicates, and the results are same. The difference is here it's interactive, and once your data range changes, you can simply change the data range over here and the formula will give you the accurate results. How cool is that? Do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.